Why are you dancing?
Because we're getting a roof rack.
We're getting one?
We have one.
We have one? Since when? Since now. Hey, are we about to go on the biggest adventure of your little puppy dog life? Huh? Huh? Quarter tank to start off.
We are walking our happy asses back to the van because we just saw a rattlesnake. And as much as I am fully aware that they're all over, seeing one in that big in person is a little anxiety inducing when you're walking around with a 20-pound dog. So we're gonna go back to the van, cool off for a bit, and drive around the park. In the driver's seat.
Careful, man. Yeah,
Are you so excited?
I know.
Are you so excited?
You just ready for some hatch green chilies?
Yeah.
Huh? Where are we?
Are we here to get some chilies? Huh? 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 Okay. Hi, everyone. We are in Hatch, New Mexico currently. We officially hit the road today, this morning at about 6 o'clock. It is Sunday, August 18th, I think. I honestly am not keeping my days straight well anymore. It has been a really good drive thus far.
No luck. Kids said they had it and they ran out.
We're on the hunt for green chili peanut brittle. I got it here like 3 or 4 years ago the last time and it was delicious and I have been thinking about it since. And so far we're striking out, which really stinks.
They said they would have it during the Hatch Chili Festival, which is first week of September, which is I think when we were here last time. But he did tell us one spot that might have it down the road.
Okay, well, we'll give that a try. I don't know, we're not here at the right time. We're gonna try to find what we want. Cody's inside right now. I think we might have found the spot. We for sure found the place. I just saw a gentleman put a whole barrel of green chilies in the roaster and he just turned it on. I'm so excited. Also, if you have never been to Hatch during this time of the year, just stand outside. The whole town smells phenomenal. Oh, I'm excited.
Señores, una more. There's one chili.
It's a lot of chilies.
The van's about to smell so good.
Oh my gosh.
Alright. Super successful at the chili store. Anyways, we managed to get a pistachio and a peanut brittle. Cody found us some coasters, and we got it's 10 pounds of roasted chili. I'm happy about it, but also it's 10 pounds. So we're gonna be eating chilies in everything. But Cody just now went into a restaurant here, I think it's called Sparky's. And the last time that we were here, there was a line which seemed like a mile down the street. So we already knew that there was something that was good here. Now the line is like, it's out the door, but it seems manageable. So we're going to order ourselves some food, try it out, and then we're headed to the campground. It was good, really good. I ate it way too fast because I was way too hungry, so I'm gonna have to save the rest for later. The last of our destinations before the campground was the world's largest chili pepper, and yeah, it's freaking huge.
What is that?
The biggest chili ever! At some point I will get better at this, but we had to quickly stop at Walmart to scoop some, my brain just went blank, groceries. So we are filled with groceries. We got our water filled at the City of Rocks, and we are officially headed to the campground, and we should be set for some time. Fails. My camera always dies right when I need it, but we're almost there. Okay, so we made it to the campground. It is just as amazing as we remember it, but it's still dark, so I can't really film anything. I will show you all in the morning, but we are here. We're going to kind of set up the van and unpack and rearrange the driving gear, and yeah. Bonus if you can hear the little spring out there. So excited. Look at that.
Do it.
So good. Hold on. I'm drippy, so. Now the plan is to stick them all in a bunch of Ziploc baggies and get them in the fridge.
How many did we buy?
10 pounds. 10 pounds of roasted chilies. Good night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. Last night was amazing. The temperatures were so perfect, but I'm really excited to show you where we're at in the daylight. To be a baby dog. Little morning fire. Baby girl! Are you so happy? I had to nix the fire. It is a little too hot in the sun, so quick outfit change, and it's coffee time. First meal with the green chilies. Delivery.
Breakfast. Thank you, love.
Welcome.